Hi, I'm Sean Gannon, and this is Minute Math, and today we're learning about the Fundamental Theorem of Calculus, the second part.
Minute Math, when you need help you use Minute Math.
We're given this problem right here. Capital F of x is equal to the integral of -4 to x of t minus 1 dt, and we want to find f prime of x here. Well, using the second fundamental theorem of calculus, we need to find what f prime of x is. So to find f prime of x, that's equal to d over dx of f of x. So the integral here of -4 to x of t minus 1 dt. And then from here, well, we need to find first the integral. Okay. So f prime of x here is equal to d over dx of the integral of t minus 1, which is a t squared over 2 minus a t. And we're integrating this from -4 to x. All right? So I'm going to continue this up here. We have d over dx here is multiplied by our rules say we plug in x first. So we have x in for t, pretty easy swap. X squared minus 2 minus an x. And we subtract that when we plug in a -4. -4 squared over 2 minus a -4. If I can fit that in. So now we just want to simplify a little bit. Now left-hand side stays the same, right? X squared over 2 minus x. And whenever we have a constant here, it really doesn't matter what it's going to come out to be, but it simplifies to be a -12. And you'll see why in a second. We now need to take the derivative of this. So when we take the derivative of that, remember this is equal to my f prime of x here, is equal to taking the derivative, power rule, 2 comes down, multiplies by 2. We just have an x. Derivative of x is a 1, and the derivative of the constant is 0. And so there we have it. We kind of looped all the way back around, but my final answer here for f prime of x is equal to x minus 1. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if it was, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and like this video. This helps us make more free math lessons for you and for everyone else. So as always, thanks for watching.
Minute Math, when you need help you use Minute Math.